ko sa lahat. I'm very proud to be here today. So good to have my family here, guys. You know, this is my first visit here, and I'm so proud to be here.
I'm proud of you.
So proud. So proud. And when I go inside the octagon, I represent not only my family, but I represent this country too. And I'm proud to do that.
We're proud of you, Mark.
I'm proud of you. Thank you, guys. Thank you for coming here. This is the first of many visits for me. So, mabalik na sa akin. Mabalik.